Hey guys, I am Lisa Hoffman and I am a self-published author. I write books in the kids science categories and the divine feminine categories. So I know it's a mixture, but that's my life, and so I bring that to the table through my books. These books are all based on, this one is to help kindergarten teachers teach science experiments. Excellent class resource. And then I've used my science expertise to develop the primary school aged adventure stories, which has a lot of real science in it. Very cool series, which is just about to be finished. Then my divine feminine work is my own personal work that comes from a very spiritual place. I've been on the goddess path for a very long time, majority of my life, and it's just come to that point where I am sharing it out, which is nice and beautiful. So on this channel you're going to find all my books have a playlist, and on that list has some background stories to the books. It has additional resources to things I talk about in the books. I'm linking you with other people out there doing similar things, so you can, if you're a teacher, you can scaffold. If you're into goddess stuff, you can explore and connect more with like-minded people. And I also do a In the Life of a Self-Published Author video series, so welcome.